Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jason. I just want to tell you about a hack that the shop that I take my car to taught me. I've been dealing with probably for 100,000 miles a belt tensioner. It doesn't matter what belt tensioner I put on there. I've tried a couple of different ones, and they would always rattle really bad. And I mean, a lot of, if you got the AC on, it will rattle really bad. You turn the AC off, they don't rattle as much. I have actually sat at a stoplight in the summertime with the AC off because I didn't want it to rattle so loud whenever I was sitting there next to other people. And then whenever the light would turn green, I'd turn the AC back on, so it was okay if it started rattling again. But I know I've seen several videos out there where people talking about them rattling, and I've heard people say that anytime you replace the belt tensioner that you should put a new belt on there. Well, that's not always the case. That won't always fix it. But the fix that my shop came up with, I don't know how you find this out. I don't know, you know, what kind of manual or what you look into to find out. Obviously there's different measurements, charts that you can find what belts or what lengths. But the shop that I take my car to, they put a belt on my car that was a ½ inch longer. Oh, excuse me. They put a belt on my car that was a ½ inch shorter. That way it would be tighter, and it wouldn't give as much ability for this thing to bounce around. So this belt that's on my car is a ½ inch smaller than what's called for. And this is a 3.1, a Camaro 3.1. Currently, I don't see a spot where it's given the number if you do have a Camaro with a 3.1 in it and you're having that issue. But y'all, think about that. If you've tried putting a new belt on there, if you put a belt tensioner on, you've tried putting a new belt on and it's still rattling, find out what belt. It's got the same groove pattern, of course, will fit your car, that's got a hair a little bit smaller, so it'll be tighter against that tensioner. Try it. Let me know how it works out. Wish you all the best of luck.